Hello everyone, today we will discuss 3/4 rule. This rule is used to calculate near PD when you know the distance PD. According to this rule, for every diopter of dioptric demand, the optical center OC of each reading lens should be insert 0.75 millimeters. The first thing here is dioptric demand. It is calculated as inverse of reading distance in meters. Inverse of reading distance. For example, if I have a reading distance of 40 centimeter, then in meters it will be 0.4, and when I will take inverse of it, that is 1 by 0.4, I will get 2.5 diopters. So for 40 centimeter, the dioptric demand will be 2.5 diopters. The next thing is the OC center of each reading lens should be insert 0.5 millimeter. It means that when I require dioptric demand of 1 diopters, I will move the optical center of the reading lens 0.75 millimeter inwards. In both eyes, so collectively it will be 1.5 millimeters. Let's do an example to understand how this rule is basically implemented. Let's suppose we have a patient whose distance prescription in the right eye is +1 and in the left eye is +1.50 diopter sphere. Near addition is +2 diopter sphere. Distance PD is 66 millimeter and we want to calculate near PD at 33 centimeter. You must remember that this rule is independent of the amount of near addition. It only depends upon the near reading distance. So here we have a distance of 33 centimeter, which in meter is equal to 0.33, and when I will take inverse of it, I will get 3 diopters. So dioptric demand here is 3. We know that for 1 diopter we will move the optical center inwards 0.75 millimeter in each eye. So collectively it will be 1.5 millimeters. So for 3 diopters it will be 1.5 multiplied by 3, we will get 4.5 millimeter. It means that I will move the optical center of the right eye lens 2.5 millimeters inward, and also same for the left eye 2.25 millimeters. So the near PD at 33 centimeter for this patient will be 66 millimeter minus 4.5 millimeter. We will get 61.5 millimeters.